Alright, I have to get this off my chest. Find out what the fuck is going on. Why is it when chicks find out that you're gay, they want to have a threesome with you and their boyfriend? And it's always the ones that's having trouble figuring out whether or not he's bi or straight. It kills me. I mean, there's some people, I can understand, but with me, ooh, because there has to be a lot of trust in that in order to fucking happen. Yeah, I'm sorry. Um, yeah, that's one thing with me. I am strictly dickly. I've never been with a chick, never will, never have. No, sorry, just not. I'm not interested. I don't like the snatch. But alright, yeah, I had to get that off my chest because for the last 2 days I've been getting nothing but messages from chicks trying to get me to do threesomes with them and their old man, and I'm sorry. Oh, nah, mm-mm. That's a hell. Alright, well, it's just it's raining. It sucks. So I was really hoping to go outside today, but on the bright side, tomorrow's supposed to be clear and up in the 70s, I believe. I think it's supposed to be like 74. But anyways, well, if y'all want more videos, just let me know. But I'll keep y'all posted on what I'm doing. Talk to y'all later. Bye.